In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to Instagram in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your finished design from Canva straight onto Instagram without downloading extra files or juggling tabs. Start by opening the project you want to share. Make sure you're looking at the final version you want to post. If you designed this with Instagram in mind, you're already ahead. For square posts, the 10 to 80 by 1080 is standard, and for vertical posts, make sure your important elements aren't too close to the edges so nothing gets cropped on Instagram. Take a quick moment to zoom in and scan for typos or alignment issues before you send it off. When your design looks good, look to the top right of Canva and click the Share button. That's your hub for sending your work anywhere. From the sharing options, select Instagram. Canva will immediately generate a preview of your design so you can double-check how it will appear. Treat this as your last look. If something feels off, maybe a logo is too close to the border, go back to your canvas, make a quick adjustment, and then return to share. If this is your first time posting from Canva to Instagram, you'll be prompted to connect your account. Click Connect. You'll be guided through a secure login flow where you sign in to your Instagram account and approve the connection. This step lets Canva publish on your behalf. Make sure you're connecting the correct Instagram profile and only enter your credentials on the official login screen. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready so the connection goes through smoothly. Once your account is connected, you'll be brought back to the preview. Give it one more glance, then proceed to upload your work. Keep your internet connection stable, and don't close the window while it's publishing. Canva will show you a confirmation when the upload is complete. If anything fails, simply retry from the Share menu. That's the entire flow. Open your project, hit Share, choose Instagram, review the preview, connect your account if you haven't already, and then upload. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the preview looks blurry, check that your original design uses high-quality images and that you're using an Instagram-friendly size. If you manage multiple Instagram profiles, confirm you're connected to the right one before you upload. And finally, give yourself a moment after posting to check the live post on Instagram, just to be sure everything displays as expected.